Hi guys, tag-ulan na naman and panahon na naman ng brownout. So, na-experience nyo na ba yung habang in full operations kayo, tapos biglang nag-brownout, tapos lahat ng customers nyo nagtitinginan, yung staff nyo nagpapanik at hindi alam kung anong gagawin. So, we have been there and I think we have found a solution that might help business owners like me. So, stay tuned! So, ayun na nga, sa panahon ngayon talaga, brownout, ang pangit ng panahon. So, I just wanted to share with you something that has worked for us, especially sa aming mga small business like sa Ambay Gani 24/7 na kansihan. Ang ginawa po namin is, we have a power generator na ready just in case mag-brownout. Pero, sabi ko, ang gastos. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi naman all the time talagang napakahaba yung oras ng brownout. Mayroong brownout na tag 10 minutes lang, 20 minutes, bumabalik na agad. So, nakaisip kami ng solusyon na nakaka-save naman kami. So, what we did was, gumamit kami ng power station. So, tulad neto. So, ang ginawa po namin guys is, meron kaming power station. Like, for instance, sa Ambay Gani 24/7, we are using EcoFlow. And lahat ng linya ng ilaw, and yung mga essentials lang talaga, like for example, internet and lahat ng lights namin, are connected to the power station. So, separate line po ito ha. Hindi po ito connected sa aming electrical line. So, bale, gumawa kami ng sariling line na ipa-plug in lang namin dun sa power station and we turn that on just in case there is a power outage. So, why does it work? Kasi, syempre, pag brownout, pindutin mo lang, on na, may ilaw ka na. You can still operate your business. And alam nyo ba na kapag nag-power on kayo ng generator, napakagastos sa gasolina or diesel nun. Kasi minsan 10 minutes lang, tapos babalik na ulit yung kuryente. This setup is way better because it helps you conserve energy and at the same time makaka-save kayo. So when the power goes out, our lights stay on using the power station. Ang customers namin can still eat comfortably, our staff can continue working, and kahit papano, tuloy pa rin ang operations. And then, ang ginagawa po namin, once depleted na yung power ng power station. So, for example, we have, I think, mga 6 na T5 na LED lights plus yung Wi-Fi namin connected dun sa power station. It lasts us actually around 3 hours before ma-lowbat yung aming power station. So, actually, depende yan sa power station na bibilhin nyo, guys. So, yung sa